Today I want to talk to you about contracts that went very wrong and what to do about it. Hi, I'm Jane Muir and I'm a business lawyer in Miami. I see two kinds of situations over and over where contracts go very wrong. One is where there's no contract and one person has certain expectations for services or payment or performance and the other person is not cooperating. And those go really wrong, especially when there's a lot of money at stake, because it becomes really exhausting for the party that is being violated and having their rights violated. And it requires us to look for laws that are on the books that we can enforce through litigation or other means. So that's one of my most common scenarios that I see where things go very wrong, and that's no contract. The other type is that you have a contract, but it's a bad one. One of my early cases was with a photographer, and the photographer had done work for a client and shot pictures of all of their products for their website and never got paid for all this work. When he wanted to sue to recover the money that he should have been paid, it turned out that the contract that he copied and pasted off of the internet had an arbitration clause. So he couldn't even sue the people because he would have had to file an arbitration, and the fee for filing an arbitration case was already like $1,500 and he couldn't afford that. So he couldn't enforce his rights and he was unable to recover. So those are the kinds of situations where I see contracts go very wrong.